Versalis is a concentration of technology combining a software suite with an ultra-powerful system and high value-added services for leather cutting. The custom configurability of the VersalisFurniture makes it suitable for all types of leather you use. In the offline process, the different phases are separated and carried out in parallel for continuous productivity. The aim is to arrive at the ultimate production process that guarantees optimal flows, quality control and material consumption. Hides are digitized on delivery. Barcodes are used to track operations throughout the entire production cycle, safeguarding the process. 2 reference points are placed on the hide, making it easier to load it on the Versalis and to pinpoint its exact position during transfer to the cutting area. Buffers can be reduced, maximizing the use of material and guaranteeing cutting quality right up to the edge of the hide. An electronic pen is used to identify the type and severity of the defect, and audio confirmation means the operator does not have to stop and look at the screen, making best use of their added value. The system can recognize up to 9 different types of defect. The electronic pen can also be used to change the light intensity to ensure that all types of defect, grain as well as structure, are visible whatever the color of the leather. Digitizing provides a complete mapping of each hide. This information assures traceability throughout the process and builds up over time to provide a complete picture of hide quality and Versalis performance. It is also a useful tool for monitoring supplier performance, as the surface area and quality of each digitized hide is automatically checked and any inconsistencies can be dealt with. The production manager can organize the work depending on priorities and the orders coming from the ERP. Time for a final quality control of the selected pieces. The stock list shows all the hides corresponding to your selected criteria available for production. Hides can be sorted by quality choice, supplier, color, leather type for use in creating the work orders. Stock is automatically updated when you assign a hide to a work order, add it to the stock, or return it from production. Hide stock management and traceability is no longer notional, but factual. Batches of work orders are processed in hidden time or even overnight for the next day's production. It is also possible to manually nest specific or critical parts on screen and let the system use the automatic multi-hide nesting strategy to finish, always ensuring the best material use. The software systematically switches the order of the hides in the same work order countless times in order to find the winning combination. The unique combination of laser projection and the conveyor make it easy to reposition the hide on the cutting system. No specific know-how is required, the process is faster, and the risk of human error is reduced. Scanning the barcode automatically selects the corresponding nesting. This is totally in line with lean methodology as errors and wasted time are eliminated. A cross is projected onto the hide which is moved over the first target sticker location. The system then uses this to position the second sticker, which can be adjusted by the operator. The system is now able to project the nested parts and contour onto the hide for easier repositioning. This means that operators no longer have to be leather experts. Their skills can be put to better use in value-added tasks which improve quality. Inbuilt anti-error devices ensure the hide is always correctly placed throughout the entire cutting process. With automatic mapping of the cutting area, Versalis is the only solution to guarantee blade penetration into the material, which is automatically adjusted to the cutting bed and leather thickness. The repositioning camera enables the edge allowance, so the space between the edge of the hide and the pieces, to be reduced to a minimum for more leather savings. Each time the conveyor advances, the camera takes a photo of the lateral repositioning belt in order to readjust the nesting position on the hide. Once a zone is cut, pieces are transferred to the offloading area for a continuous fluid process. Intuitive visual offloading software uses color coding to enable even new operators who do not know the model to identify the cut parts with no risk of error. The cut parts are immediately sorted by sewing group, streamlining and accelerating the process with no need for additional personnel. The offline process allows better balancing of each of the steps in a leather cutting process. Digitizing is one of the most important steps in the process, affecting finished product quality and efficiency. To do it well can take a long time and is almost impossible to shorten. The process doesn't stop with the cut piece. Production managers need to monitor supplier information, material use, production, and everything else that happens in the cutting room, which may affect profits directly or indirectly. Without this global vision, it is impossible to implement continuous improvement or to add value and improve margins. The production manager can check operations at any time and monitor material use rates using the real-time performance indicators in leather reporting software. From defining the need through implementation, training and installation to continuous improvement, Lectra's experts are there to support you in reaching your operational efficiency targets. Lectra offers a range of support and maintenance contracts to ensure maximum system availability and a rapid return on investment.